Hey y'all, we're in North Alabama today heading to see a waterfall at High Falls Park. High Falls is in Grove Oak, which is just outside of Guntersville. We're staying at the state park today, so we're only about a 30-minute drive away. We're coming in off of 227, and then you turn on some little country roads for just a bit that'll make you think you're getting lost, but just stick with it and you'll get there. Cows. The park itself is not very big. They do have an office and a welcome center. They have a very friendly staff. They sell a few t-shirts and have some snacks, and they do have clean restrooms here. No dirty butt, Daddy said. No dirty butts. Hi. Gorgeous day to ride.
It's nice. It's time to come out of that jacket.
Yeah. There's no entry fee or parking fee to get into the park. They do have a donation box inside, and they ask that you sign the registration sheet before you walk down. The path down is very easy, as you can see here, and it's very short. As soon as you get to this T right here, you can already see and hear the waterfalls. They have nice picnic areas, so bring your lunch because you could definitely spend the day here. Now you can tell we're here in the fall, but if you come in the summertime, bring your swimsuits because they do allow swimming down here. A lot of people go tubing. Of course, there's no lifeguard, so it's obviously swim at your own risk. And there are several signs telling you to beware that the rocks can be slippery at times, and the overlooks, you definitely need to be cautious on them. We're going to start today here on the pedestrian bridge. This just takes you out where you get a view of the creek. To the left is upstream, and then to the right is downstream that goes to the falls. It also lets you walk across where there are several hiking trails. The creek bed is pretty dry today. They haven't had a lot of rain up here, so I'm going to add some pictures in throughout the video just to give you an idea of what it looked like in previous years when there was a little more water in it. She don't like not being able to see under her in the leaves. Oh, this is pretty.
Dang, Callie. That's a lot of cold, probably.
I see a leaf falling. That's a long way down. baby. That's a long way down. I don't think you should do that. Can you get this?
Hey.
Yeah. Yep. Be careful. This stuff's slippery.
Yeah, see the rope we use to climb back up?
No?
There's the rope right there.
Oh, that's okay. You say that's okay. Sure. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Research video before they jump off it. A lot of people jump for a plank and
Yeah.
climb back up. You got your boats on, most of them boats are high.
Okay. Okay, I think I walked off breakfast now. What's going on with that? Oh my gosh, look what's sitting up.